like when I was watching your videos and how you speak and how you present yourself, it's just so powerful. And I like what you said before in another podcast, is that communication is everything, because you might not be someone who has achieved that much, but if you know how to communicate really effectively, it just makes you an authority, or it just makes you, people stand up and take notice of you.
It's a passion of mine, Khoa, and I've recently sat down and spent a good 3 months writing down my values as a human being and what my purpose is as a person. And a huge part of that is making the invisible visible. It's why I love doing this, Khoa, is that I see so many people going through life being invisible. So many people going through life, opportunities, promotions pass them by because their employers, their project managers or the general managers in their teams don't notice them. And a lot of the times it's not because they're not brilliant, it's just that they haven't learnt how to play their music. And what I mean by this is, an idea to me is like a really good song. A vision is like a really good song. A solution to a problem you can solve for your clients is like a really good piece of music. And if you don't play it well, people won't perceive it to be great music. You can take the most beautiful piece of Beethoven music and give it to a pianist who plays poorly, and will it be perceived as being good music? And the answer is no. I think it would be such a shame if we go through our entire lives and not make that connection that your voice is an instrument. And we need to learn how to play beautifully. I think it's really important.